Well, hi everybody and welcome back. It's me, Rog. I'm here again out in my garden, and today I'm going to attempt, notice I said attempt, to make my very own pesto sauce. Now I could buy this in the local shop, I could buy it in any shop, but it's not as much fun, is it? So this is what I'm going to do today. I've got the ingredients. I've got some garlic. Well, I'm not going to use this much. I'm going to use this little tiny fellow here, which is 1 clove of garlic. I've got some pine nuts. I've got to lightly toast these a bit in a pan, just a little bit. I've got some extra virgin olive oil, some Parmesan cheese that I've grated up, and from this plant that I've just watered, this basil, or some people call basil plant, it's looking a bit sad, but it's got enough leaves on it for me to make the sauce that I want to make. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it back, repot it, put it in some fresh soil, and hopefully that'll regrow, and I'll be able to use it again for some more cooking. So I think first of all I'll begin by stripping off some of these leaves, well, quite a few of the leaves actually, but I won't need the stalks, so I'll start with that. Okay, so there we have it, a poor little basil plant that's had its hair cut. Some of the leaves are blown away, but I've salvaged quite a few. So I've toasted the little nuts there. In there somewhere I've got the garlic, and I've just chopped that up a little bit. So with that, I'm going to put this into this sort of a mini food processor, if you like. Can you see that? There we go. So if I put all of these in there, mustn't lose any of these nuts, they're quite expensive actually. Well, these ones weren't, because they belong to my daughter. She said I could use them, so. There we go. Put those in. A little bit of garlic, tried to escape there. Then we can put in some of this Parmesan cheese. Whoop, drop that in the top. And in with some olive oil. Not sure quite how much to use of this. We'll start off with that much and see how we get on. Okay, so that's all in there. So I'm going to take that indoors now and pop that onto the machine, blitz that down and see what we've got. On it goes. And a touch more olive oil, I think. Okay, so I've got this nifty little jar to put it into. Well, that's about all I can get out of it, but it looks okay. Right, let's have a little taste out of this little bowl that we've mixed it up in, shall we? Just a little taste. That's really flavoursome. Well, I'm pleased that I made my own. Thanks for watching. I've just got to think of a meal to put it with now. Anybody got some ideas? That'd be good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Stay tuned. Ding that bell. Give me a like. And I shall see you the next time I do a video. Thanks once again, and bye everybody.